Hello folks, so this is the Coleman stove, the stove which can be using the liquid fuel. Now the stove comes with in this small box. It's very pretty, I think. Not so big a box, and there is no case, because there are some options where you can choose to buy a stove in a plastic case. Now this specific unit came just in a box. This is a made in USA product, so it's quite good build quality, I think so. And I can tell you that before that I was using some stoves on a gas and unleaded fuel, but this specific unit, I think, one of the best. As you know, the Coleman is one of the best brands in stoves and etc. So what is inside? Inside you may find, first of all, the filter. The filter comes in this plastic bag, and this filter funnel, you may observe that it has a nose, the black one. This nose gives you opportunity not to boil your liquid fuel outside of the stove. So it has like a shape, a small shape, yeah, and I think it's very quiet. Also, you can put it after you filled up the stove, you can put it inside, so there will be no any smell and etc. Now the stove itself, this is the version of 2020. I bought from Amazon on September 2020. It's quite heavy, I think it's about 1 kilo or 2.5 pounds. The fuel itself, it has like I think 520 milliliters, or it's 1.1 pins, and basically it's not so big. I think it's like 6 inch or 50 centimeters. Now this model 533 is one of the basic in Coleman line of the stoves. It has 3 significant points. The first one is the place when you refuel the fuel. You can put it like here. It's unleaded gasoline or kerosene, if you can use it. Now you have the adjustable level, which you can use like a light height, the low, and the off switch. So this switch can be used in 3 modes. Of course, in the beginning you just put in the mode of the high mode, and after a few minutes you can put it in low mode. Now in case if you refuel it the full, it lasts like about 2 hours, so it's quite too long, I think so. Also, you do have an instruction here on the paper, you can remove it. And this is the pump. Basically you can just turn on to pump like 20 times, just close, and after that you just open the lever on the high and just put it in the middle. And I think so, yes. So this is the version of 2020, not so many difference from the previous years, but I think the series like 533, 503 is one of the common in internet you can buy. So if I do suggest it, yes, I do suggest it, as it's very stable. It's a liquid. It has the liquid is much more efficient than the gas, because the gas is much more efficient from the liquid oil fuel, and in my opinion it's much more safer to use and to go on your trip using the liquid fuel instead of the gas. As you know, gas is much more dangerous than the liquid. So yes, if you're going to buy it, yes, buy it. And I think it's one of the best on our market as you can find. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.